Hi, this is Ryan Wetmore with HP. I'm at InVision and talking about what HP has to address the hybrid workspace. And what we have here is just at HP we're developing a lot of different products to kind of address every part of hybrid work, whether it's the personal needs such as our laptops. Like we have laptops that can address specific audio and video needs. We've incorporated a lot of the poly audio and video technology. This is actually my corporate AI laptop, and it's great. There's a feature in there called Poly Camera Pro. It gives me a consistent experience across any of the video clients or audio clients that I'm using. We have headsets for every type of worker. Everybody has a personal preference. I'm a kind of a road warrior type of persona, so I love things like the 360 earbuds, and on long flights, something that helps me sleep a little bit better. We also have phones, and again, different types of phones for different types of workspaces and users. We have phones that run Teams the Teams phone application or Zoom phone. And also for frontline workers, these rAVe decked cordless phones are very popular. So this is a great solution for vertical spaces, such as retail, warehouse, manufacturing, etc. The newest products I have here right now is our V12. This is the V12 small room video bar. This is a USB pluggable, so you would plug it into a Windows-based Teams room or Zoom room, and give you a great audio and video into those spaces. And we've also recently have released our new A2 microphones. Now the A2 microphones connect into this interface box right here. And the great thing about this interface box is the mics go in, and going out is a Ethernet port, so into a local link network. It gives you a lot of flexibility around installation and our modular approach to large rooms. And for the small room bar, you can plug that mic directly into the bar. So that's what we have going on with HP. If you need more information, you can go to hppsg@tdcinex.com. Thanks for coming.